Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm really excited for today's video. I've actually been wanting to do it for a while, but I'm going to be comparing classic Dollar Tree makeup with the almighty Jeffree Star Cosmetics. These two palettes have like literally such a similar color scheme, and I just wanted to put like one on one eye, one on the other eye, and see like if they're comparable at all, if this one's trash, if they're similar. Like I just am so curious to see if I could get a similar look from this as to this. So I am super excited for that. But before we get cracking with all that, I'm gonna need you to hit that subscribe button. It's red, it says subscribe. I need you to do it. It's in that corner. Takes 1 second. Boop, that's all you gotta do, all right? And then, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up button. Both of those things would really help me out, and I would really appreciate it. So without further ado, let's get on with it. Okay, so here's like a side-by-side comparison of the color schemes. Clearly, Blue Blood has a lot more colors in it together, but like, you see what I'm saying? The vibes are very, very similar. So I'm gonna try to do the exact same look on both eyes with two different palettes. Get the same look on two different eyes with two different palettes. Way different price ranges here. I think this one is like $54 or something along those lines, and this was clearly $1. So let's see what happens. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this bright blue shade in the crease, and I'll be doing the Dollar Tree store on this side and the Jeffree Star on this side. So I'll be going in with this color for Dollar Tree and I'm Cold for Jeffree Star. So let's see. I'm gonna start with Dollar Tree. Okay, so this one looks matte in the pan, but it's actually kind of frosted in real life, but it's not bad. Like, that was a lot of pigment for just one dip in it. Okay, like, that's cute. So now let's go into I'm Cold by Jeffree Star. Also really, really pigmented, but this one's definitely matte. Okay, like, tea. Guys, like, that is so similar. Like, looking at me, you probably would not be able to tell a difference if you weren't in on it, you know? Okay, cute. Let's go on to the next step. Okay, so now let's deepen up the crease a little bit. I'm gonna be using this shade in the corner in the Dollar Tree palette and Deceased in the Blue Blood palette. Okay, so I'm gonna dip in. This is the Dollar Tree palette. That was one dip in the blue. Look how pigmented that is. Okay. Wow, that's pretty. Oop, we have some fallout here, but that's because it's a really pigmented shadow. Okay, I love how that looks. That is so icy and fun. Okay, now let's try the Jeffree Star side. That is such a similar color, guys. I do think the Jeffree one is more pigmented with this. You can just tell by like looking at the eye. Like right there, you can see the dark where this one is like sort of muddled in there. Okay guys, it's still looking really, really similar. This is going like so well. You would not be able to tell that this is two different palettes. This is crazy. Okay, so next I'm gonna kind of put like an icy blue shade on the lid, and so I'll be going in with this color, this one in the middle for the Dollar Tree, and for Blue Blood I'll be going in with this one, which is called Ice Tray. So I kind of want to go in with my finger for this one, but it's kind of hard to. I'm like digging into the one above it with my nail. Okay, that one is not as pigmented. Not as impressed with that one. Here, my nail broke off. My pinky, I'll use that one. Yeah, that one is definitely not as pigmented, but it's still pretty. Okay, let's try the Jeffree side. I think this one's gonna be a really big difference. This one is so much creamier. Yep. That shade is beautiful. Wow. Okay, that's the first shade that it's been like a crazy difference in pigment. Yeah, that really like drew the line between them. Like, this eye looks so much better. And this eye just kind of looks like muddled with the colors now. Okay, so I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. So I took this frosty white with this little thingy and popped it in my inner corner, and it looks so pretty. Like, look at that. Okay, I went a little ham with that one, but yeah, it's really pigmented. And then I'm gonna do the same thing and put it on my brow bone. Woo! Pretty. And then I'm gonna take the other side and use it with Jeffree's palette. I'm gonna use Cullinan, which is a frosty white. Oh, okay, I see how it is. What happened there? So you can kind of tell that this one is a little brighter, but from a distance, like, you can't really tell. You cannot really tell a difference. Okay, so let's go to the lower lash line, and I'm gonna use that same color that we first went in with. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the Jeffree side. Okay, cute. And then the last step I want to do on both eyes is like a navy blue shadow wing. In the Dollar Tree palette, I'm going to use this dark blue right here. And then in the Blue Blood palette, I'm going to be using Undertaker. I'm not as impressed with this one as the other ones. Kind of crumbly and not very pigmented. Okay, so there's the Wet n Wild side. That was probably the shadow I was most disappointed. I don't know why I keep calling it Wet n Wild. It's LA Colors. That is the color that I was probably the most disappointed in. You can tell it's like really not pigmented. I got a wing eventually, but it's very subtle, kind of smoky. Yeah, that one is like crazy more pigmented. But with a more pigmented shadow usually comes more fallout. Yeah, look at that comparison. You can definitely tell the difference with that one. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I didn't add mascara because I wanted to kind of compare them on their own. I'll add it in a minute, but you know, I wanted to see them for what they really are. So the Jeffree side definitely turned out better, especially with that last liner moment. Yeah, Jeffree definitely won. But what I will say is if you're kind of scared of blues and want to just like test the waters, like this is a really good palette to do that instead of splurging like 60 bucks on a Jeffree palette. You know what I mean? Like this is $1. If you want to play around in your room, like want to make sure you want to get good at blue shadows before you wear them out because they can be scary, this would be a really good thing for that. Cute colors, cute color scheme, like you could make a lot of looks with that palette. So, you know, I'm still impressed by it, but it isn't Jeffree. It's not. So thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Again, it would really help me out. But yeah, this was super fun. I want to do more comparisons like this for sure in the future. So let me know if you guys have any ideas for that. Stay on fleek, friends. Bye.